A recent revelation has emerged about SEBI chief Madhavi Buch. Senior lawyer and former MP Subramanian Swamy claims that Buch used her power to cover up a major scam between Max Healthcare and Axis Bank. Swamy also accuses SEBI of being complicit in the cover-up following Swamy's petition to the Delhi High Court. Take a look at our next report for this exclusive report for more details.
SEBI chief Madhavi Buch finds herself at the center of yet another controversy. In a recent affidavit submitted to the Delhi High Court, senior lawyer Subramanian Swamy has levelled serious accusations against Buch. The affidavit filed on March 13th alleges that SEBI chairperson Madhavi Buch held positions as additional director and director at Max Healthcare Institute between February 2015 and April 2017, raising concerns about a direct conflict of interest.
हाईकोर्ट ने तो सेबी को भी इसमें घसीटा है और कहा कि उन्होंने जो चौकीदारी करनी थी उन्होंने किया नहीं और वो भी इसमें लिप्त है। तो उन्होंने कहा कि इसको ठीक करो और जिन लोगों ने ये बेईमानी की उनको सजा के लिए आप आग्रह करो और कहा कि यदि ऐसा नहीं होता है तो हम वापस कोर्ट को जा सकते हैं।
एक और एडिशनल एफिडेविट सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी जी ने फाइल करा था और वो एफिडेविट ये कहता था कि जो सेबी चेयरपर्सन है वो एडिशनल डायरेक्टर और डायरेक्टर एक दौरान में रही हैं जिसमें ये ट्रांजैक्शन चली आ रही थी। उसके बीच के अंदर वो एक डायरेक्टर और एडिशनल डायरेक्टर थी और उनका कोई इसके अंदर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए।
Regarding Swamy's allegations against SEBI chairperson Madhavi Buch, the High Court has stated in its order that the court recognized Buch's prior professional links with the Max Group. However, these connections do not absolve SEBI from its regulatory responsibilities. The court also indicated that if SEBI's ultimate decision in this case is swayed by Buch's former professional ties with Max, the petitioner may bring the matter back to the court.
पहले जो नुकसान हुआ है उसको सीधा करें और उसके बाद देखेंगे कि इन्होंने ईमानदारी से नहीं किया है और कहीं और कुछ किया है जिस कारण से हम कह सकते हैं कि पूरा काम नहीं हुआ, तो फिर हमें अधिकार है कोर्ट में जाकर दोबारा क्रिमिनल केस के लिए आग्रह करने के लिए।
During the proceedings, the insurance regulator informed the court that fines of 2 crore rupees were imposed on Axis Bank and 3 crore rupees on Max Life. The case has now been forwarded to the Reserve Bank of India and SEBI for further action. In the wake of the Hindenburg report, SEBI chief Madhavi Buch has faced a series of significant allegations. The pressing question remains, why has SEBI not yet taken decisive action against Buch? Is SEBI deliberately overlooking the issue, or is it actively involved in concealing Buch's actions? Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
Now, this ongoing saga between Hindenburg and the SEBI chief calls for an independent probe have gained traction. Media stories suggested a probe is underway. However, separate media reports quoting Finance Ministry sources show the government has no plans to initiate an investigation at this point. So these are the conflicting claims that are coming out. Earlier, media reports quoting a senior government official showed that a panel of SEBI members and government officials were looking into Hindenburg's allegations on Buch. However, separate media reports showed Finance Ministry sources have denied any such investigation. Instead, the government previously said that there are other SEBI board members to deliberate and act. Now, this comes at a time when media reports, including a Reuters exclusive, show proof of Madhavi Puri Buch receiving payments from her consulting business Agora Advisory. Buch had a 99% ownership interest even while she was serving as SEBI's head. Media reports show Buch's Agora Advisory has made 37.1 million rupees since 2017. Buch claims that she made all the disclosures to the SEBI. However, these concerns regarding possible breaches of SEBI's 2008 policy likely create a conflict of interest. Hindenburg has specifically targeted SEBI chief's holdings in these funds and alleged a link to Adani Group dealings. Experts say SEBI's silence is creating a lot of speculation and is likely undermining its credibility as well. Sucheta Dalal, renowned for exposing major financial scams in India, such as the Harshad Mehta scandal, offers a sharp critique of the regulatory response. In her article, SEBI Hindenburg Adani, she explains how not to handle a credibility crisis. Her deep understanding of India's financial systems and her authoritative voice make her insights particularly relevant in assessing the fallout from this controversy. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.